basins like the North Sea and the Baltic Sea are getting busier and busier with all kinds of human activities like shipping and fishing, but also new types of activities like offshore wind farming. And maritime spatial planning is actually a way to manage the ocean by allocating certain spaces to all of these human activities at sea. Well, all the countries in Europe have agreed that by the year 2021 they will have implemented maritime spatial planning. And this is high on the political agenda, but it's also very difficult to achieve. So by means of simulation and gaming technology, which is the core of the MSP challenge, we hope to bring together all the countries and the stakeholders to let them experience actually what MSP is, and also to look a little bit into the future and the consequences of the decisions that they make today.
Well, our biggest achievement so far is the development of the MSP Challenge simulation platform. It's a result of three big projects: North Sea, Baltic Lines and SimKels, all three co-funded by the European Union, and together adding up to almost 1 million euros in budget. And we were lucky enough to present the simulation platform a couple of weeks ago at the big MSP conference called Connecting Seas in Hamburg, Germany. Now, thanks to those big budgets, we were able to have a nice team within our Cradle Research and Development Lab develop this platform in collaboration with our partners. We've also involved half a dozen interns and graduation students from different BUas domains. And over the past 1.5 years, we've been slowly but steadily building up collaborations with the urban development domain, notably the International Spatial Development Curriculum.
Well, I have a professorship in Applied Games, Innovation and Society at Breda University of Applied Sciences. And there, with the research group, we do research into playful organizations and learning systems. And the MSP Challenge, I think, is a brilliant example of how we can make the use of the best of gaming technology to make organizations and people and systems learn and to improve their performance.
So with the MSP Challenge simulation platform, we are able to offer simulation gaming sessions and planning support in basically any sea basin in the world now, which is absolutely wonderful. And let them use the platform to learn about what MSP is, how complex it is, all the intricacies involved, and really starts to professionalize.
So the MSP Challenge simulation platform is a multiplayer game that we created that allows different teams and different players to collaborate in defining maritime spatial planning for a sea basin. The big advantage of this new platform is that it allows you to define different sea basins and import real data from geographical information systems to actually create a variety of different layers and plans for that area. So players will be able to explore real data, create and come up with real plans, and use that information to simulate what will happen to that sea basin for the future. So we have 3 dynamic simulation models that allow you to predict what might happen both in shipping, energy and ecology.
Players are able to view the same plans, the same data and the same outcomes, allowing them to collaborate within teams and develop plans that focus on communication and collaboration within an entire sea basin.
Now, thanks to that platform, those functionalities, we were able to host 17 different sessions since early last year, involving over 250 different planners, stakeholders and students. You can find out more on the website www.mspchallenge.info, or simply get in touch with any one of us.